Salams everyone, we're back in Wafa's kitchen. Today I'm making a Turkish dish. It's called Menemen. Hope I've done that justice the way I've said it. Traditionally you have this for breakfast or brunch. I'm having it for dinner because that's what I feel like today. So what I've done, I've prepared my fry pan with a little bit of olive oil. I've got some sweet chilies over here. So they're the long green sweet chilies. I have one diced onion. I have peeled and chopped some tomatoes, and we'll be using eggs. What I'm doing now is I've heated my olive oil. I'm sauteing these sweet peppers in here. They will go down, they will reduce, so it won't be as much. Once I have sauteed them, I will add the onion to it. Once the onion is cooked and sauteed also, then we're going to add the tomato in there. Very easy, quick meal, very nutritious. Now, some people, just an FYI, some people use canned tomatoes. I never use in this dish canned tomatoes. It does not do it justice for such a simple dish. I actually get ripe tomatoes, quickly dunk them in some boiling water, out into some iced water, and then peel and dice them. Peppers are beautifully sauteed and sealed. As you can see, they're nice, starting to get golden. So I've added my onion, and we will seal that and saute that before we go on to the next step. Once the onion is sauteed in there, you can add a clove of crushed garlic. I don't particularly want garlic in this dish. As I said, I'm having it for a dinner, so I am going to omit the garlic, but you can add it in there. These are beautiful organic peppers, and as you can see, the beautiful colour on the organic tomatoes, but you can use whatever ripe tomatoes that you have. We're going to add the tomato. I probably won't use all that. Let's have a look and see. You know what? I am going to use all of the tomatoes. Why not? If I have leftovers, I'll eat them tomorrow for lunch. So we're going to fry that down a bit. We're going to put it on a medium heat, and we are going to cook the tomatoes until they're nice, rich, and have thickened up. We're going to add some salt and pepper. We've got our salt here. In this dish, I have used 5 long sweet peppers. I have used 1 diced onion, and this is about 4 large tomatoes that I peeled and chopped. We'll be back soon. So this is reduced, thickened, as you can see. A lot of the moisture is gone from the tomatoes. And what I would do now is I would crack the eggs, so on top, but because I am filming with one hand, so I've prepared my eggs here. So I'm going to gently just slide them in, try to separate them if I can. Now I've put 5 eggs. You can put as many or as little as you like. It's really up to you. Actually, what I might do is add 1 more egg into that. I think we need 1 more egg. Oh, there we go. 1 more egg. Now, some people will just cook it like this and move it so the whites can get cooked because they like sunny side up. I don't like sunny side up, so I crack my yolks and then I will mix them through. The temperature is on low, and then I will just put up a tiny little bit. I'll put a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper just for the eggs, and then I'll flip it through. We'll come back in a sec and see the end result. All right, finished now. I've cooked my eggs through, but like I said to you previously, you can leave them sunny side up. It does look good sunny side up, but I don't like sunny side up eggs. I've added a little bit of pepper. This is a meal that you can prepare the day before. You can cook your peppers, onion, tomato, cook it through, put it in a Tupperware, chuck it in the fridge. Next day, heat the sauce through your in your fry pan, crack the eggs on top, and within a couple of minutes you've got your meal ready. Give it a go. Best of luck. Enjoy. Bye.